morning and welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Yes. So you know what is today's date? 21st July and it is Tuesday. So yesterday was Monday and what we did yesterday in our English class? Yesterday we revised, yes. So I told you that we will revise this whole week and yesterday we revised lesson number 1 and the topic was am, is and are. Yes. And what is the topic today that we are going to revise? That is pronouns. Yes, I told you yesterday that we will revise pronouns today. Yes, now what are pronouns? Let's see. Okay. The words I, he, she, it, we, they, you are used in place of naming words. Now what are naming words? Naming words are also called nouns. But what are naming words? The name of a person, place, animal, thing. Yes, are you able to remember what I taught you? Yes. So all these are naming words. And in place of naming words, we use pronouns. Okay. Now, before moving further, see this. Singular and plural. Singular means single person, single place. Yes? So, with singular, what pronouns we use with singular? We use I, he, she and it. And with plural, we use we and they. Okay, got it everyone? Now I will give you some more examples and you have to tell me that which pronoun will come in place of that noun. Ready? Okay, 1 minute. Yes, so the first naming word is sentence. I am writing the full sentence and that you have to recognize the naming word. Sita is going to school. Sita is going to school. Now what's the naming word in the sentence? The naming word is Sita. Yes, very good. Yes, going will be a naming word? No, going is a doing word. And what are doing words called? They are called verbs. Okay, so Sita is a naming word here. Sita is a noun. So now I don't want to write Sita. I want to use a pronoun in place of Sita. So which pronoun I will use? I will use she. I will use she. She is going to school. Got it everyone? Clear? Yes? Okay. Now one more example I will give you. Okay. The second example is Mohan is playing. Okay. Now which is a naming word in this sentence? Mohan is a naming word. So instead of Mohan, can I write she? No. Why? Because Mohan is a boy. And for that boy, we use he is playing. We use he as pronoun. We don't use she. Okay, he is used for male, men, boys. Okay, and she is used for females, women, girls. Okay, now one more example. Suppose there are two children, Anu and Sita. Are going. Going to the market, going to the school, going to the park. Okay. Anu and Sita are going. How many people? Two. That means two naming words we have. One is Anu and one is Sita. So all together we have two naming words. Yes. So I told you whenever there are more people. So what will come? Yes. Which pronoun I can use? I can use they. Yes, I can say they are going. So in place of Anu and Sita, I have written they. They are going. Now when do we use we? I will tell you. Suppose in place of Anu it is I. That means I am also included now. I and Sita are going. I and Sita. I am also included and Sita is also there. Okay. Whenever I am also included in the sentences, I am also included with the other person. I use we. I and Sita are going. So in place of I and Sita, what will come? We will. Okay. Now when will we come? Okay, let's see. When I is included with the other person. Suppose I and Sita are going. I and Anu are going. Whenever I am also included in the sentence, that time instead of I and Sita, I can say we are going. We are going. Got it? Now see some examples. The questions that you will get in the exam will be like this. Suppose I write a sentence here. Rita is dancing. Okay, and you have two options. You have to use the pronoun. You have to use the pronoun in place of the naming word, that is Rita. So you are having two options, she and we. So which is the correct pronoun that will be used in place of Rita? Rita is a girl and it's very easy. She will be the correct option because for girls, females and women we use she. Got it? So similarly, one more example. Second sentence is, my brother is very good. And the options are they and he, and brother is a naming word. So in place of my brother, you have to use a pronoun, they or he. Which pronoun will you use? You will say he is very good. He is very good. So he is the correct option. Got it? Now see the example of plural nouns, that is Sita and Anu are playing. So I have an option they or it, and the naming words are Sita and Anu. So which option is correct? In place of Sita and Anu we will use they. Yes? because there are two people and it is used for objects, things. Okay, so there is the correct option. Easy? Yes, easy, no? Okay. So, now I hope pronouns are clear to you all. And now, we will do one more concept, that is me or us. Very easy. Me and us are also pronouns. Now what you have to remember, in a sentence, whenever you see I, you have to put me, because they are talking about I, that is I, only one, that is me. And if in sentence we is there, so that time you have to use us, because we means many and we will not say I. Okay, we means many and we will not say me, I or me, we'll say us, us. Okay, suppose you get a sentence in the exam that fill in the blanks with me or us, and the question is, I am alone, stay with dash. So which option will you use, children? I told you whenever there is I, you have to use me. I am alone. Only I am alone. So stay with me. Got it? Yes, simple? Okay. Now one more sentence. We are going. Come with dash. And you have to fill up with us or me. We are going. Come with dash. Me or us. I told you with we what comes? Us comes. Yes? So come with us. Very simple, isn't it? Yes? So you all also revise it at home in this format, that is with option format, and we will give you some practice sheets also in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Now see this question on the board. Okay, what's this question? Choose the correct options. Okay, that means you have to given one sentence and also the two options are given to you and you have to choose the correct option. Now I have taken this from the fill in the blanks. Okay, now let's read out. The two travelers were going. The two travelers, we are talking about Gopal and Shiv. The two travelers were going to the city or to the market. The two travelers were going to the city. So we will put a tick on to the city. Okay. Now let's come to the second sentence, that is Shiv was very dash. Shiv. You remember Shiv? Yes. Shiv was very happy or sad in the story? Shiv was very sad, of course. Why? Because Gopal was not sharing anything with Shiv. So happy will not be the answer, sad will be the answer. So these type of questions will come in the exam. In that options will be given to you and you have to put a tick on the correct option. Got it, children?